Hello and welcome back to step-by-step guitar tuition.com. This is the 7th lesson in the Step 2 module, and in this lesson we're going to look at another fingerstyle pattern. Let me just demonstrate the pattern first and then I'll break it down for you. Okay, it goes like this. In the following exercises and also in the lesson notes, rather than the traditional P-I-M-A, I'll refer to my fingers simply as T for thumb, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the chords that I'm using are G, C and D. Don't forget to refer to your lesson notes where you'll find all the information you'll need. For the first exercise, I'll use a G chord and I'll start by plucking the 6th string with my thumb, followed by the 3rd string with finger 1, the 2nd string with finger 2, and the top string or the 1st string with finger 3. And then repeat, so that's thumb, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Let's try that with the metronome, which I've set to 100 beats per minute. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Now let's try the same exercise again, but this time with the chords G and C. When you change to the C chord, instead of plucking the 6th string with your thumb, play the 5th string with your thumb instead, and play the pattern twice on each chord. So twice on the G chord as before, thumb, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, 3, then change to the C chord, but play the 5th string with your thumb, thumb, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, and then back to the G, twice on each. Okay, let's try that with the metronome. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb, thumb, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, 3, G. This time we'll use the 3 chords G, C and D. Start on the G chord and play the pattern twice. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Then change to C and play it twice again. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. And then change to D. On the D chord, with your thumb, you should play the 4th string. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, 3. And then back to C, twice. So remember, on the D chord, play the 4th string with your thumb. Your 3 fingers should remain unchanged on the top 3 strings throughout the whole exercise. Let me demonstrate that. G, C, thumb on the 5th string. D, thumb on the 4th string. C again, thumb on the 5th. Let's try that with the metronome now. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. C. D. Thumb on the 4th string on the D. Back to C. G. C. D. C. And then another G. For this last exercise, we'll try the same pattern again, but this time on the first beat of the second bar. Instead of plucking the 6th string with your thumb, pluck the 5th string. Let me demonstrate. With the G chord, thumb on the 6th string, and then 5th string, 6th string, 5th. Just try that a few times till you get used to it. 5th string, thumb on the 6th, 5th. Now let's try the same with the C chord. Pluck the 5th string on the first beat of the first bar with your thumb, and on the first beat of the second bar, play the 4th string, and then 5th string, and then 4th string. And again, try that a few times till you get used to it. Lastly, on the D chord, on the first beat of the first bar, play the 4th string, and then on the first beat of the second bar, play the 5th string with your thumb instead. So 4th string, 5th string, 4th, and 5th. Okay, let's try that again, putting the 3 chords together a few times, and then we'll try to put the whole thing together. So with the G chord, thumb on the 6th string, and then 5th string, 6th string, and 5th string. Change to the C, thumb on the 5th, and then the 4th, on the 5th, and then the 4th. Then change to the D chord, thumb on the 4th string, and then the 5th, the 4th, and the 5th, and then back to C, thumb on the 5th, and then the 4th. Now let's try that in time with the metronome. After 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb, 6th string, 5th string, 6th, 5th. Change to the C, thumb on the 5th, and then the 4th, the 5th, and the 4th. D chord, thumb on the 4th, and then the 5th, 4th string, and then the 5th, and then back to C, thumb on the 5th, 4th, 5th string, 4th. So that's a new fingerstyle pattern for you to practice. You can experiment with the 5 chords that you've learned so far, but don't forget to practice each exercise very slowly and accurately, and try not to be too concerned with playing fast, as that will come in time. Your aim is to repeat the patterns consistently without making mistakes, and don't forget to play along with the metronome to develop your timing. You can find the patterns that we've looked at today in the notes that accompany this lesson. I look forward to seeing you in lesson 8, where I'll teach you how to name some of the notes on the guitar fingerboard. I'll see you then.